everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with LEGO bricks. Today I'm back with another monthly mini build from LEGO. This one is 40281 and it came out in June 2018. And I will show you how to make this. And I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. Yeah, here. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first thing on the instructions, we need a 2x6 standard base plate like this, yeah. And one of these extended roof tile pieces in green over here. Okay, that's good. Now, an inverted roof tile in this light blue, and a regular roof tile behind that, and another one of these extended roof tiles in the front here. Now next to here we're going to be using a 2x2 jumper plate, and on top of that jumper plate we're going to be adding this small base plate with a grabber on top, and a 2x4 standard base plate on the top here. That's already looking fine. Now, so we can attach some stuff at the back. We're going to be adding this side attachment brick in green at the rear, like so. And next to them, we're going to be adding these very teeny tiny base plates, 1x1 base plates next to it, like so. And a 1x2 standard base plate in yellow at the front over here. Now, these little cheese slopes, nope, these are just slopes, little slopes, and they're going to be the arms, I suppose, these arms over here. Now another one of these regular roof tiles in green at the front here, and now we're going to be adding a bit of the mouth, so we'll put that aside at the moment. We're going to bring a 2x3 standard base plate, turn it upside down, a 2x2 standard base plate upside down as well, like so, and two of these little white round studs. These are going to be the teeth, of course. And we're going to bring this back and just stick this on top like so. So now it's got some two little teeth. It looks slightly like rabbit teeth, but it isn't. Another one of these side attachment bricks behind here, and on top of that a 1x2 standard base plate. Now we're going to make his nose, so we're going to be using these two red cheese slopes, and we're going to place them at the front, this kind of formation. Behind that, a 1x2 standard base plate. This will go here in the middle. Let me just fiddle about with it a little bit. Okay, there we go. And now, what is our next step? Our next step is to do the eyes. So we're going to bring this side attachment brick, and we're going to bring in two eyes. This one comes with two different eyes, one of them being a regular eye and another being a closed eye, and we're just going to place them in some kind of formation. You can turn them around anyways if you like, and just stick them on the top here. Now I suppose you've already guessed that this is going to be a dragon. So we need to add his tail, a 1x4 standard base plate. Just stick here like so. His tail is now hanging down. For the back, a 1x2 jumper plate behind his head, and behind his back we need more of these grabber plates, but in red. And we're going to add some cheese slopes. So one cheese slope over here, one cheese slope over here to give him a little bit of spiky design to him. And now we're going to do his wings. So let me move him back again like this. But we're going to be doing the wings. So inverted round tile like this. Blunt end plate for grabbers. Wait, it's a bit tricky because it's round, so I'm just going to do it in my fingers like so. 1x2 standard base plate in yellow back here, and one of these these wedge pieces, I believe they're called. And then we have one wing. I'm just gonna quickly do the next wing. Okay, so we now have 2 wings. We're gonna bring back our dragon. I'm gonna give him some wings. Make sure that the rears are facing, well, to the rear. So now he has 2 wings now. Yeah, that's just about right. So he can flap his wings. And there's only a few steps we need to take now. This round base plate on his head here. And most surprisingly, a surfboard. And there we have it. So our dragon mini build is complete. I suppose it is a dragon, but it could be anything else you like. But I do like the design for the wings. They look so incredibly comical on this dragon. I will certainly use it for one of my other builds. I'm not exactly sure why there is a surfboard, but I guess he's a surfboarding dragon. But anyway, that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building! Rarrr!